This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Holly Bryant. This beautiful 3-bedroom/3.5 bath Tellico Village home is like a peaceful vacation retreat. Features include bright, open split floor plan, west abundant natural light, large private, fenced corner lot, spacious, airy main living area, west picture windows, lake and mountain views, family room just off the kitchen, exiting to a Four Seasons room, west tongue and groove ceiling, extra large owner's suite and bath, west 2 separate sinks for extra privacy plus large his and her closets, formal dining room perfect for intimate dinners, eat-in kitchen area and breakfast bar for dining/entertainment options, kitchen, open to the family room so the chef never misses the fun, west lovely black quartz countertops and beautiful cabinetry, generous second and third bedrooms, large laundry room, west sink/cabinets plus oversized garage, west workshop space. For more information, review the details below or contact Holly Bryant at 865-693-1111.